5-month-old Tushar is having trouble breathing. At the nursing home, he's not shown any improvement over the last 1 week. Tushar's father blames the increase in construction projects promoted by Mayawati government for the ill health of his son.
वो लग रहा है किसी तरीके का पॉल्यूशन ही होगा, मतलब ज्यादातर कंस्ट्रक्शन, अदरवाइज ये मोटर गाड़ियां, इनसे भी पॉल्यूशन हो सकता है.
Doctors in Gomti Nagar admit that the Ambedkar Park construction has triggered a rise in respiratory ailments.
I think there are two reasons responsible for it, because these are the suspended particles that increases in the air, and I think the increased construction activities and second increased number of vehicles, they both are causing problem of this type of respiratory disease.
Residents complain of a permanent dust cover over the Gomti Nagar and Alambagh localities near the construction sites.
रातों रात में सारी गिरदी यहाँ पे काट देगी, और ये पत्थर का जो काम चला है उससे इतना पोल्यूशन चल रहा है, मतलब बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट होते रहते हैं, रोड एक्सीडेंट. कभी मतलब पत्थर गिर गया, कुछ हो गया, और ये जब उसके पत्थर से घिसा जाता है उससे क्या होता है, जब उड़ता है तो सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है.
In a test conducted between March and May, the Indian Institute of Toxicology Research found that pollution levels had gone up in the localities where the Ambedkar Park and Ambedkar Ground are coming up. 10 locations including residential, commercial and industrial areas in Lucknow were monitored for the report. It found suspended particulate matter and respiratory suspended particulate matter in Gomti Nagar and Alambagh were 1.5 times more than the national standard. The industrial area recorded lesser SPM and RSPM than the national limit, mainly as it had not seen major construction in the past 2 years. Further SPM and RSPM had gone down in the pre-monsoon period in all areas except Gomti Nagar and Alambagh. The opposition is all set to take on the Mayawati government on the issue.
मेन रीजन यही है कि जिस कार्य को शहर से दूर करके यहाँ लाया जाना चाहिए था, वो कार्य शहर के अंदर उन पत्थरों के साथ तराशने का कार्य किया, उससे पोल्यूशन लेवल यहाँ पे और ज्यादा बढ़ गया है.
Meanwhile, residents of Gomti Nagar and Alambagh hope the report would make the Mayawati government do something about their suffering.
Till a few years back, the roads leading to these localities were known to have a decent green cover. But Mayawati's pet project has left these areas with stones, dust and pollution. With camera person Gopal Chaudhary, Anurag Tripathi, News X, Lucknow.